Excuse me, can you help me?
I need some help, please.
Could you help me with this?
Can you help me find this place?
Can you show me where it is?
I'm a bit lost.
I don't understand.
I don't know what to do.
I'm not sure how to do this.
Can you explain it to me?
Can you tell me what this means?
Can you help me understand this?
Could you speak more slowly, please?
Can you repeat that again?
I didn't catch that.
Can you help me fill this form?
Can you check this for me?
Can you help me with my English?
Can you give me some advice?
What should I do?
Where can I find help?
Who can help me with this?
Is there someone I can talk to?
Can I ask you a question?
Do you have a moment?
Sorry to bother you.
Thanks for your help.
I really appreciate it.
That's very helpful.
You've been very kind.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I'm a bit lost.
Where are you trying to go?
Can you show me where this is?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
I don't understand this.
Let me explain it.
Can you speak more slowly?
Yes, no problem.
Can you repeat that?
Of course.
I didn't catch that.
I'll say it again.
Can you help me fill this form?
Yes, I can help you.
Who can help me with this?
You can ask at reception.
Is there someone I can talk to?
Yes, just wait here.
Can you check this for me?
Yes, it looks fine.
Can you help me with my English?
Yes, I'll try.
Can you give me some advice?
Yes, I think you should start here.
What should I do?
Start with this step.
Do you have a moment?
Yes, go ahead.
Sorry to bother you.
That's okay.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
That's very helpful.
Glad to help.
You've been very kind.
You're very welcome.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.